This is a fantastic opportunity for us to think about the role that schools can play in helping communities to revitalize and to recover from a very difficult period.
Yeah, quite interesting and very excited, obviously, with the unveiling of the solar panels. We're so thankful for it. Obviously, the school's financially going to gain with it, but not only financially we're going to gain with it, it's also a learning process and something that we can take to our learners and eventually take to our community, you know, with the green. I know everybody, a lot of organizations, people are very excited of these eco-friendly projects.
Absoluut fantasties dat Stellenbosch University hier betrokke kan wees. Ons wil baie graag meer doen in ons gemeenskappe om die universiteit. Great dat ons met die WKOD in vennootskap kan tree, met die skoolhoof, die personeel, saam kan ons baie meer doen. Hier is een van vele inisiatiewe in skole en ek hoop regtig dat ons op 'n baie organiese manier meer kan doen, meer kan bied, saam kan werk om 'n klomp goed moontlik te maak vir ons skole en natuurlik ook vir ons gemeenskappe.
We see schools now at the heart of communities being asked to take on certain roles and provide services. And with the kind of innovation we've seen with this project, where we can address the energy crisis and schools can play a meaningful role to firstly generate some savings that schools desperately need, but to add more value to the communities and add to the resilience of communities. Very important.
This project is a very, very pivotal project because we have now installed solar in a school that is less privileged, and it enables the school to actually generate funds and to feed back into the grid. So the school is now playing a role in the larger community, which is amazing.
This will absolutely have to find a way to a scalable model where we can roll out to more schools. The WCED and the Western Cape government would definitely want to be a part of this process in whatever way we can be. We've appreciated being part of a community that's learning and pioneering in a space that has so much potential. So it's important to talk about the numbers, but we see moving this rapidly and at scale means that we need to forge these partnerships, be very clear on the funding strategies, which we're committing to and open to talking about, and then being partnering in the projects in different communities and different contexts. And so across our spectrum of schools, from the ones that are in the most difficult operating circumstances to ones we can rely on to also contribute to developing these projects, across the spectrum of diverse schools, we'd want to encourage this initiative to take flight, and it will have the full support of the WCED going forward.
We're excited that we can be part of it, and obviously also very thankful for the partners, University of Stellenbosch, GreenX, and everybody involved. I know that they also have partners, and also the colleagues, the schools that has been involved in supporting this program. We're very thankful for that.
The next thing for GreenX is to evaluate this project and to help the scaling of such a project to the surrounding areas and the schools they're in, and also look at a provincial type of rollout. But it is important to do the smart metering first, have the efficiency interventions take place, and then to do solar.
It's just exciting to have all these people here, all these dignitaries, people that can make a difference and can still, and we hope that we can just prolong and have this relationship into the future where we can go green, as our school is known as the Green School in Cloetesville.